Hello guys, hello, it's Money Online, and today we are looking at what are the three categories of currency pairs in Forex trading. Yeah, so the last time we looked at what is Forex trading, we looked at it, we understood it, and then today we are looking at the three categories of currency pairs. We have the major currencies, we have the crosses, then we have the exotics. The major currency pairs are those that include the US dollar and are the most frequently traded. They are there are actually seven of them. We have the Euro, USD, we have the USD, Japanese yen, we have the Pound, USD, we have the USD, Canadian dollar, we have the USD, Swiss franc, we have the Australian dollar, USD, we have the New Zealand dollar, USD. So major currencies are those currencies that at least have USD, US dollar. So it's US dollar against the pound, US dollar against the Canadian dollar, like that. Those are the major currencies. And then we have the crosses. Currency crosses are the more frequently traded currencies that do not include the US dollar in their pairing. So they include the euro, pound, euro, Canadian dollar, pound, Japanese yen, euro, Swiss franc, euro, Japanese yen. There are very many, but in most cases, it's a combination of euro and the other currencies. Then there is a combination of the yen and other currencies. Then there is a combination of the British pound and other currencies. Yeah, like that. Yeah. So those ones, uh, the crosses, they don't have the US dollar in them. Then the major currencies, they have the US dollar in them. Then the third one are the exotic currency pairs, which are made of one currency paired with the currency of an emerging economy. For instance, we have the Brazil, so it's a major currency. The major currency, maybe it's a US dollar, it's the pound, it's the Japanese yen, it's the euro. So if it's paired with any of the emerging economies, let's say Brazilian or Mexican peso, the Chilean, the Hungary, uh, the Indian rupee, like that. So that one becomes an exotic pair. Yeah. So that's it. Those are the three categories, the major categories of currency pairs that you need to know. So please remember, don't forget to subscribe on my channel so that you are able to access more of my videos that I keep on uploading. Then also we are I'm partnering with Forex Bull. We're having a course, a full course, Forex course, full package, um, which has a full Forex course, weekly Zoom classes. You'll be able to access weekly Zoom classes, live Zoom classes, uh, access to our student community where you interact, you get exchange information and learn from one another. I hear from other students' experiences. Then we have live analysis where you'll be able get live analysis of the trade. Before you get into a trade, you need to make an analysis. We have the fundamental analysis. Yeah, so there are very many. You don't just enter into the trade, because I have to tell you that forex trading is very tricky. You need to pay close attention. It's not a get rich scheme. Yeah, because statistics show that 90% of the newcomers in forex trading always fail. So for you not to be a victim, just grab the course. It's in the link below. The link is in the description below. Click it after subscribing to my channel, then you will be able to access that course plus all the live Zoom classes, the analysis. So don't forget, in the description below. It's money online here. See you in the next video after you have subscribed, liked, and comment. Ciao.